In a world of single-purpose apps, I wanted one tool to do it all. This is Swift Calc, built in a hackathon to replace 5 of your most used tools. It starts with the standard calculator. It handles your daily math with a clean interface, and every result is automatically saved to your history. When you need more, the scientific mode delivers. It flawlessly handles a range of functions, from constants like pi to powers, roots, and absolute values. But the magic happens in the graphing calculator. Instantly visualize multiple functions on the same plane. And when you need a closer look, just adjust the view to focus on what matters. For real-world numbers, the financial calculator is essential. Here, we're calculating a 5-year loan payment, getting an instant and accurate monthly total. And finally, the convert tool is a powerhouse. Seamlessly switch between length, weight, temperature, area, volume, and time with instant two-way conversions right at your fingertips. Convert, financial, graphing, scientific, and standard. 5 powerful tools, one seamless experience. This is Swift Calc, all your calculations in one place.